Another great example of why we attend these shows. QUASER, really well known in the UK, but the showcasing here, 5-axis twin pallet machine. So nice example here, nice deep pockets on this component, and nice little touch here, excuse that very bad pun, but you can see what's going on with the machine. Example, 48 tools, standard 60 option, 15,000 RPM. But I can find out about the controls really quickly. There you go, Fanuc, Heidenhain, Siemens. Now we can't get in there at the moment, but you've got a piezo head in there. Now it says on it 15,000 or 10,000 RPM, it actually goes up to 15,000 RPM. But what's unique about this is it's actually oscillating up and down 25,000 times per second. You'd be using that to machine your carbides, your ceramics, and it's got a tray full of coolant to hold that dust, so you might notice that on the envelope. And this is an example of what you're machining here. So this is a semiconductor part, 5,800 holes, I'm reliably informed. I'm not going to count them, but that's a great example of why you use that type of head rather than sort of milling or even EDM. And last but not least, we've already mentioned a 5-axis machine, but this is same machine, but a larger envelope. Look inside there, great working envelope, the 630, another great example of why you attend these shows.